Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogtober 2020. So in true 2020 fashion, we currently are in the midst of a power outage, and we also have a huge winter storm going on. So we lost power around like 4 o'clock this morning, and poor Tucker was all freaked out, so I slept on the floor with him. So it was a long night, but I'll quickly kind of show you. I'll do like more close-ups, but like this is like the view from my room. But you can kind of see a lot of snow. But yeah, so I can't do any work today until the power goes on. We have like some parts, we have like a generator that everything's kind of connected to, so some of the outlets work in the kitchen to keep like, because we're on a well, so like get the water running and all that. So yeah, it's never been a dull moment, I think. So yeah, I'm not able to do any of my work today. I was planning on filming my wrap-up, so it might be coming up a day later or later in the day, but that's okay. I was gonna edit that, and then I was gonna work on my CT images, but obviously can't do that today. So yeah, today will be a get organized day. We have painters coming and repainting all of the ceilings, so I have to take stuff that are like close up there. So yeah, it will just be like, so I'll get it organized. Room, it's a bit of a disaster zone as well, so I'll get everything kind of organized. But in the meantime, I also get to do all of my advent calendars today, which is very exciting. Get them started. Also, I have my David's Tea one, and then I like a Reese's Pieces like chocolate one. So I have the kettle on right now, so I'm gonna quickly get out of my jammies, and then I will, you know, go through my advent calendar, show you all the snow stuff and all that fun stuff. You guys probably already saw on my Instagram, but if you guys remember, back in August I was studying for my big qualifier exam, and I found out yesterday that I passed all the exams, so I'm very happy about that. I was super stressed out about the whole thing. It was just very stressful, and it took them like over 100 days to get the results back, even though 8 of us were taking the exam. But I'm happy that I finally passed it, and that was like a really big milestone for like my PhD, like the first big one. So I'm happy I passed. So that's another thing that I'm very happy about today. Alrighty guys, so it is lunchtime now, and I'm just coming out to take some pictures of Tucker in the snow. But I apologize, I'm gonna be 26 in a week, and I still don't know how to style my bangs with a hat, so this is what we're getting. But yeah, we still don't have power right now, and it's still coming down pretty hard. So, but I love all the snow, so I can't complain. But yeah, if you want to know, Tucker's on Instagram. I'll have him linked down below, but we're gonna take some Insta beauties of him and kind of enjoy the snow and all that. So yeah, it'll be fun. so as you guys saw, that the power finally has come on, so it's about 3:30 now, so I'm very happy about that. I quickly filmed my wrap-up, which I need to edit and upload for tomorrow, so I'll be a little busy this afternoon. But yeah, I'm happy the power is back on. You saw me assemble my new kind of shelf area because it was just getting really chaotic, and I feel like this kind of makes it less decluttered, so I'm very happy with how that turned out. It was very quick to assemble, so that was good. But yeah, in the meantime, I need to edit my wrap-up video, and then I need to start working. I'm ahead of schedule for my Etsy, kind of making everything for Etsy. So I finished all like the wraps, or like scarves, I guess you could call them. So I'm working on all the placemats now, so I'm ahead of schedule. I want to keep it that way, so my goal is to finish my first placemat tonight and then start the new one today. So I have a lot of things I need to do, so yeah, I need to quickly disassemble everything, and then I need to edit and then crochet. So the hard work is not over right now.